How to delete Google Lens photos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Google Lens photos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Google Chrome. After you're on your Google Chrome, you can then tap on your profile icon on the top right corner or simply tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Then head over to settings. And after you head over to settings, tap on your profile that's on the top. After you do that, you should be on your account section. Scroll down all the way and there you'll find manage your Google account. Tap on it. After you tap on manage Google account, you should be on your Google account settings. What you'll need to do is there you'll see different options such as home, personal info, your data and privacy, security and stuff like that. So you can head over to your data and privacy and then scroll down. And there you'll see history settings. There you'll find web and app history. You might want to head there. After you're on your web and app history, you'll find a lot of different options and there you'll see and delete activity. So this section right here, and there you'll find Google Lens as well. Tap on Google Lens. Now it will take you to your history of your Google Lens. So if you scroll down, you'll find whatever you've searched with your Google Lens. And now if you want to delete this, tap on delete button and then you can delete you can delete custom and you can delete from different timelines as well. So I'll just delete all time and then tap on delete. And that's how you can delete Google Lens photos, guys. Thanks for watching. Upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.